Hello folks, I'm Pete from Connecticut Post and Beam. I just wanted to give you the opportunity of seeing our latest methods for cutting post and beam frames. We think, we keep improving as time goes on, and we think this is it. This is the best we've come up with yet. We think we're going to impress you. We've just mounted the base plate to the end of the rafter. We're going to make the peak cut. And this is just a piece of plywood with some 1x6 material on it. It's very simple, easy to fabricate. So Matt's going to make the first cut so you can see how this works. If you notice how this pivots and how easily it clamps to the chainsaw bar, any chainsaw, makes no difference, gas or electric, no drilling the bar. It's just these two set screws that locks the chain, and you get a very accurate cut, and it's very quick and easy. We're at the other end of the beam here, and we're just cutting this rafter to length at this point. Same process, just different angle. Go ahead, man. Okay, Matt's going to use a piece of, this is just a piece of scrap. We usually make up something out of plywood or tempered board or something as a pattern. He's going to mark this now. We're actually going to cut what's similar to a bird's mouth at the end of the rafter tail. This is at the peak, but we're going to cut this notch so that this rafter can rest on top of a structural ridge. The cut that he's going to do is very similar to a bird's mouth cut, and you'll get the idea. Okay, typically, Matt would be using the chainsaw as you see it here. You want to pivot that, Matt? There you go. But we also want to point out that if you use your imagination a little bit here, you can cut with either side of the blade, and when he comes over here to finish cutting this notch, he's going to actually cut from the opposite side. So you can see how that works. Works either way. Chain doesn't care which way it cuts. Okay? All right, nice, clean, accurate cut. I want to show you how this works actually. It's just a shaft with bearings on it in two places. It's a real simple unit, but it really works well. Thank you.